Yeah, the Aladdin Café here in Clairemont is still closed. Victims say their lives were turned upside down after eating here, and tonight they're demanding accountability. 37 cases and growing. 9 have been hospitalized for salmonella poisoning after eating at this Mediterranean cafe.
They all contracted the symptoms of salmonella poisoning, which are fever, diarrhea, vomiting, sometimes bloody, fatigue, and intense abdomen pain. This is becoming a very, very serious outbreak.
Ron Simon, a food safety attorney representing more than 20 of the victims, says the outbreak was entirely preventable and the restaurant is legally liable.
In the United States, if a restaurant serves food that poisons someone, they're liable no matter what, whether they intended to or knew about it or not.
He says poor hygiene or improper food handling likely played a role.
You got to think about it. Salmonella is only found in the feces of animals and humans. So somehow feces got in the food.
The restaurant closed on May 1st. County Health told CBS 8 that management has been working with them on remediation efforts. And they say the investigation into the source of the outbreak is still ongoing.
It's either going to be that they received contaminated food from a supplier and they didn't cook it high enough to kill it, or they had a sick worker that was going to the bathroom, not washing their hands, and contaminating the food.
Simon has already filed a lawsuit and expects the number of victims to grow.
We will get compensation for their lost wages, for their medical bills, for the pain they endured and the suffering they've endured.
Some victims are still recovering, including one person hospitalized for over 10 days.
If a customer goes to a restaurant and buys food, the customer's placing an enormous amount of trust in the restaurant that they've done everything it takes to make sure that that food was safe and ready to eat. In this case, that trust was breached, and Aladdin's going to have to pay for it.
The restaurant has not yet responded for comment. If you dined at Aladdin between April 25th and May 1st and feel ill, you're urged to seek medical care or report your symptoms to County Health. In Clairemont, Brian White, CBS 8.